Hello guys, welcome to Bash tutorial. This is part 2 for configuring the website using user data. So what I will be doing now, I will be explaining the script. First I am updating the yum, then I am installing this required packages, then I am putting the HTTP service in check config. I am creating a group. I am giving the ownership of giving the ownership of EC2 user which I will be using to that group. Then I am creating the the war directory is already created. I am giving the ownership of root www over that directory, configuring hold files and directories under those directory as chmod 2775 for directory and 0664 for file. Then I am configuring PHP so that my PHP page should be open. Then I am creating a website data folder, doing same thing with it, configuring permissions for it. Then I am copying my whole data from my S3 bucket to my website data folder recursively. So it will copy all my data from S3 while my instance is booting. After my instance is boot up, then what it will do, it will substitute at 119 line. It will comment 119 line, that is my document root by default, and it will add the new document root where my website data is there, right? So then it is restarting the service. So very easy, right guys? So I will be putting this thing while creating the instance, and let's see what happens. So let's now go and create an instance using this same user data, and let's see if our website is coming up automatically without doing manual configuration or copying data from somewhere. So I'm launching an instance. With, like, I will be launching a free tier instance. Okay, I will be using site manager role, which will have all the admin access of extracting data from S3. Going down into advanced settings, I will be pasting this, which we have already discussed. Tagging it using the already existed security group, reviewing and launching, and just launch using the already existed MySQL key. So my instance will be booting up, and when my instance is boot up, we will see the same thing will be there, and my site will be up into that instance. So let's wait for instance to boot up. It is initialization. Instance is finally up. Checks are 2x2 checks are completed. So let's see and check if my website is up or running or not. So look at it. Now my website is automatically configured. My Apache instance is running. My data is extracted from my S3. So without a manual intervention on my server, now my website is running fine. So then you can tweak various things in user data. You can actually tweak various PHP parameters and Apache parameters as well. So this was one of the live used case which I have shown to you guys in order to use it. So what I will be doing is I will be sharing more of the live videos as the queries are coming, and let's see what we will be discussing in our next Bash tutorial. Please guys, subscribe, like it, and share the tutorials, so everybody should be aware how to work with new technologies, cloud, Linux, and any queries related to it are always entertained. And happy learning.